If you are using an iPhone and if you want to use your iPhone hands-free, then this video is for you. Now there is a new feature called eye tracking which you get with iOS 18 update. Now in this particular feature, you can control your iPhone with just your eye movement. Now how to enable that feature, how to use it, I'm going to guide you through each and everything. Before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that your iPhone is updated to iOS 18. Now, currently only developer beta is available. Now, this version is buggy because it is the first developer beta. Next month, you will be getting public beta, and later on in September, you will be getting an official iOS 18 version. So, if you just want to try for now, you can update to developer beta. Now, once you update your iPhone to iOS 18, after that, just go in settings, open accessibility option, go down, and in physical and motor option, you will get a new feature or new option, which is eye tracking. Select that particular option, and the very first option is eye tracking. All you need to do is you need to turn on this toggle. Now, as soon as you turn on this toggle, you get a message on the screen which says follow the dot with your eyes as it moves around the screen. So you have to follow it. Now, as soon as the feature is enabled, you can move your eyes and you can control whichever thing you want. So let's say if I want to go back, I'm going to keep on looking on back and it will go back. If I want to toggle between a few options, I can just point my eye over there. Let's say if I want to go in motion, I'm going to keep on looking on motion and it will be selected. So this is how you can control your iPhone. If I want to go back, I'm going to keep on looking on accessibility, it will go back. Let's keep on looking on settings, again it will go back. So let's say if I want to go at the top, I'm going to see over here. So you can see there is an icon at the top, and this is how you can go up. Now again, let's go in accessibility and let's go down and look for eye tracking. Let's turn it off now. So you can see I have enabled the eye tracking feature and I have also turned it off with just my eye movement. Now this feature does not work very properly because it is the first update. With later on, with next beta update, I think Apple will, make it more accurate so that it can work properly. So yeah, it's a cool new feature. You can definitely try it out for yourself if you're interested. And do let me know down in comment section that what do you feel about this new feature. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.